Time rolls by, clock don't stop. Wish I had a few more drops of the good stuff, the good times. Oh, but they just keep on flying right on by like it ain't nothing. Wish I had me a pause button. Moments like those, Lord knows I'd hit it. Give myself 5 more minutes. Hey everyone, Blade's Guitar Lessons. This is a Scotty McCreery song I had requested called 5 More Minutes. It came out a little while ago. It's a great song. It's one of his newer singles still, and I really like this song. So thanks for the request. If you guys have any other requests, please let me know, and I will try to accommodate as best as I can, okay? So let's get into it. And thanks for all of you who have subscribed and hit the like button recently. I really do appreciate it. To those of you who haven't, if you find it useful, please hit the like and subscribe button so you can see when I come out with new tutorials, okay? All right, standard tuning, no capo on this one, all right? But let me know if you need a capo. I can include a link to one in the comments, okay? I don't get paid for it. I wish that I did, but I don't. All right, so let's just get into it. Okay, so the chords you're going to need for this one, you're going to need G, and I just use this one because it's really easy for the transitions in the song, okay? So G, you're also going to need E minor. I just use those fingers. You can use these ones, whatever, okay? But I use those ones. All right, and then you're also going to need D, and you're going to need Cadd9. So that's a crazy easy transition. Cadd9, just like that, okay? If you don't know Cadd9, put your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the B string. All right, put your middle finger on the 3rd fret on the A string. All right, and then you're going to put your pointer finger, all right, on the 2nd fret on the D string. That's how that sounds, okay? So it doesn't matter if you play the song with a pick or with your finger. Either way works fine. I'm going to show you guys how to play the strumming pattern and everything for the verse. For the intro, for the verse, and the chorus, okay? There's no bridge on this song, it's just a 3rd verse, so that makes it pretty easy. All right, so to start, you're just going to start with G, and this goes for the intro and the verses. You start with the G, okay? So the strumming is pretty simple, but I'm going to walk you through it, how he plays it, and then a little bit slower, so just in case you need help, okay? So it's down, down, up, 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 okay? So that's how most of the song is. Down. So when you're first starting on each chord, you're going to kind of hit an extra down, wait a split second, and then go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. You can, if you want, you don't need to, but you can do down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So you can add a little more emphasis and wait a split second. You don't need to, but you can, okay? So the intro is down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, like that, okay? So just still doing that down, up. And you're going to do E minor, just a little bit. Cadd9, remember you're doing that down, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? And you go into G. Now, most of that part is the G, and then you only for a little bit do you do E minor, Cadd9. Okay, then you go into G. So then it's 8 years old. All right, so that's just as I was talking about. Down on a little bit harder, and a little bit let it ring out longer. So just a split second, you're going to go down, down, up, okay, on 8. 8 years old, okay, a couple cane poles, sitting down by the creek. Okay, then E minor on it. Our lines in the water, watching those bobbers, seeing that red sun sink. Okay, then you do Cadd9. All right. Mama's on the porch, yelling supper's hot. See, I'm just doing down, up, down, up, down, up the whole time after that initial. Okay. Yelling supper's hot, y'all come and get it. We yell 5. So then this part is where you bring in D, okay? So then you go, we yell 5 more. So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? So at the end, so it starts with G, then E minor, then Cadd9, and then you do E minor, D, Cadd9. So that's we yell 5. So 5 is E minor, 5 more is D. All right, and Cadd9 is minutes. And you go back into G, and so it just repeats that exact thing one more time. Okay, so you do G, E minor, Cadd9. Okay, then you do E minor, D, Cadd9. For 5 more minutes. Then you go G, E minor, C add 9, and then you do E minor, D, C add 9. Super easy, okay? So now for the chorus, you're going to stick on that C add 9. So when you do 5 more minutes at the end of the verses, 5 more minutes, and it sounds best if you're kind of doing those bottom 3 strings, okay? You can still strum all of them, but it sounds best if you do those ones, especially for the verses in it, okay? Just like that. All right, do just those bottom 3 strings, okay? So then you're gonna do 5 more minutes. Okay, then you mute like that, or you can do it this way, either way. I like to do it like that, mute. And then you stay on C add 9. Okay, then you're gonna go, time rolls by, clock don't stop. I wish I had me a few more drops of the good stuff, the good times. Okay, so you see, it's the same strumming pattern here, but you're gonna do a little bit different of a chord progression, because you start with C add 9. Time rolls by, clock don't stop. So it's the same strumming pattern here. And C add 9. Time rolls by, clock don't stop. Wish I had me a few more drops of the good. Okay, that's why you go from C add 9 to that G, is because it's just super easy to switch to. Of the good stuff, good times. And after good times, you do E minor. Okay, so it's C add 9 G, E minor. Oh, but they just keep on flying. Okay, then you're gonna go C add 9 again. Right on by, like it ain't nothing. Wish I had me a pause button. Okay, so you do C add 9 G, E minor, C add 9, and then here you're gonna go E minor, D, C add 9 twice. Okay, it's just like how you were ending the verses. Okay, you're doing E minor, D, C add 9. Okay, so you're gonna do that twice right here. Okay, then you wish I had me a pause button. Moments like, so you do moments as E minor, moments like those, Lord, so Lord is D, Lord knows I hit it. Okay, hit it as C add 9, hit it. Give myself 5 more minutes. Okay, so on each one you're doing that down strum, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, and then after you say 5 more minutes, you do the C add 9. You can let it ring if you want to. You can do whatever you want. And then you're going to go to G next, okay? At 18, I turned my helmet in, walked to the 50-yard line. It's just the coach and me after we lost state, 10-9. Okay, so you're going to go into that. That's the entire song. Now you know how to play the whole thing. All right, so the only time the strumming pattern really differs is when you're doing at the end of the chorus, or at the end of the verses when you're doing down, down. So when you go, just because you're switching more quickly, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, very simple. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. If you have any other requests, and like I said, please hit subscribe and like. I love it when you guys do. All right, so yeah, that's all I had for you guys. Let me know if you have any questions or song requests, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.